Are you looking for the best dual-action polisher? I have compiled a list of top 5 best dual-action polishers this year. These are hand-picked based on the overall design, hardware, customer reviews, and expert reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 1. Dewalt Buffer/Polisher. If you are looking for a well-designed polisher that's comfortable to use, we recommend Dewalt's Buffer Polisher Combo. It's driven with a powerful 12-amp motor that starts soft and gradually builds power so that you can better control it. It also has an ergonomically shaped body that offers a comfortable grip and features a 3-position bail handle, as well as a side handle. The onboard variable speed dial allows the user to adjust the speed from 0 to 600/3, 500 RPM, and a ball-bearing construction ensures that it can effortlessly handle demanding applications. Also, it can maintain the loaded speed level for better finish results. It's not ideal for beginners since there's a learning curve to controlling the speed. However, most professionals can get it going once they power it on. Number 2. 16010 6-inch waxer/polisher. If you want to get your car looking its best without breaking the bank, check out the WEN 6010 6-inch waxer/polisher. The fixed-speed electric motor spins at a rate of 4,000 orbits per minute, which is great for all-purpose use, though care should be taken to prevent overworking painted surfaces. The compact design is easy to operate with just one hand. The 6-inch backing plate is intended for use with any similarly sized elastic bonnets, and 2 are included. The applicator bonnet spreads polishing compounds or waxes evenly and thoroughly. The terry cloth bonnet wipes surfaces clean for a bright finish that's far better than what you would likely get by hand. While some alternatives on this list offer more power and versatile features, this polisher is a great choice if affordability is your top priority. Number 3. BLACKDECKER 6-inch Random Orbit Waxer/Polisher. If you're looking for a powerful dual-action polisher that is easy to maneuver, you might like the BLACKDECKER 6-inch Random Orbit Waxer/Polisher. The single-speed motor operates at 4,400 orbits per minute for a bright, crisp shine. 2 handles make this compact unit easy to control, especially on curved surfaces and sharp edges. The 6-inch disc is designed for use with removable bonnets rather than stick-on pads. 1 foam applicator bonnet and 2 polishing bonnets are included with the purchase of this tool. You'll have everything you need to get right to work polishing, waxing, and buffing with your favorite car care products. This option is also backed by a 2-year warranty. Because of the high speed of this motor and fixed speed setting, this should be used with care. Improper use can damage paint more quickly than less powerful alternatives. Number 4. miguels Dual Action Polisher. For waxing and polishing painted surfaces, you can use miguels Dual Action Polisher. It has a lightweight body weighing only 5.4 pounds, and the weight is well distributed throughout the tool so that it can feel well balanced on your hands. It also features a multi-position D-handle for comfort and enhanced control. The unit can operate from 3,000 to 7,500 orbits per minute, and a thumb-adjustable speed dial lets you adjust the speed to suit the application. Digital torque management electronically maintains the selected speed level for accurate detailing. Though the unit vibrates excessively, a cleverly positioned soft start button provides soft starts so that you can better handle the speed and vibrations as they pick up. Number 5. Makita Electronic Polisher/Sander. Makita's polisher provides an easy way of removing minor scratches, swirl marks, and restoring the lustrous shine of your vehicle or boat's paintwork. It's rated at 120 volts, so that it won't reflect on your electricity bill. Also, it's driven by a 10-amp motor that delivers 600 to 3,000 rotations per minute, so that you can use it for light polishing or heavy-duty sanding. The onboard variable speed dial lets you adjust the motor speed to suit different applications. To ensure that the polisher doesn't vibrate uncontrollably, you can press the soft start button for a smooth start before you increase the speed. When you need to make a perfect finish, you only need to press the lock-on button to maintain a constant speed. It's somewhat heavy, but you will appreciate how effortlessly you can switch from polishing to sanding.